Next, we are looking at the multiplication rule for probability, which is used when we see the word "and". So for events that are independent, the probability of A and B is equal to the probability of A multiplied by the probability of B. So we just multiplied the two probabilities together. For events that are dependent, the probability is equal to the probability of A times the probability of B, given that A has already occurred. So this is a conditional probability, and you'll see the second line uses the conditional probability notation. If A and B are independent events with the probability of A equal to 0.2 and the probability of B equal to 0.7, find the probability of A and B. So these are independent events, which means we just want to multiply the probability of A times the probability of B. So 0.2 times 0.7, and that will equal 0.14. If A and B are dependent events with the probability of A equal to 0.3 and the probability of B, given that A has occurred, is equal to 0.4, find the probability of A and B. So these are dependent events, which means we want to multiply the probability of A times the probability of B, given that A has already occurred. And they give us both pieces of information. So I just need to multiply them, and I get 0.12.